Hello and welcome back to RPIIT Academics. This is Milind working in Pharmacy Department at RPIIT Technical and Medical Campus. I am back with my second video on hypertension. This includes risk factors in hypertension. These are those factors which can cause hypertension in a person. So first factor is age. The risk of high blood pressure increases as you age. Until about age 64, high blood pressure is more common in men. Women are likely to develop high blood pressure after age 65. Second is race. High blood pressure is particularly common among people of African heritage, often developing at an early age than it does in whites. Serious complications such as stroke, heart attack, and kidney failure also are more common in people of African heritage. Next is being overweight or obese or obesity. The more you weigh, the more blood you need to supply oxygen and nutrients to your tissue. As the amount of blood flow through your blood vessels decreases, so does the pressure on your artery walls. That means the more you weigh, more nutrients and oxygen required to your tissues, and more pressure on your heart will be gained. Not being physically active. People who are inactive tend to have higher heart rates. The higher your heart rate, the harder your heart must work with each contraction and stronger the force on your arteries. Lack of physical activity also increases the risk of being overweight, which ultimately results into higher oxygen demand. Using tobacco. Not only does smoking or chewing tobacco immediately raise your blood pressure temporarily, the chemicals in tobacco, such as nicotine, can damage the lining of your artery walls. This can cause your arteries to narrower and increase your risk of heart disease. Secondhand smoke also can increase your heart disease risk. Another factor is too much salt in your diet or taking too much sodium in your diet. Too much sodium in diet can cause your body to retain fluid, which increases the blood pressure. That means sodium is responsible for water retention in body, which ultimately cause increases blood pressure. Too little potassium in your diet. Potassium helps balance the amount of sodium in your cells. A proper balance of potassium is critical for good heart health. If you don't get enough potassium or you lose too much potassium due to dehydration or other health conditions, sodium can build up in your blood, which increases the blood pressure. Drinking too much alcohol. Over time, heavy drinking can damage your heart. Having one or more than one drink a day for a woman, more than two drinks a day for men may affect your blood pressure. If you drink alcohol, do so in moderation. For healthy adults, that means up to one drink a day for women and two drinks a day for men. One drink is equal to 12 ounces of beer, 5 ounces of wine, and 1.5 ounces of 80 proof liquor. Next is stress. This is common cause of hypertension. Everybody is feeling stress nowadays due to changes in lifestyle. High level of stress can lead to temporary increases in blood pressure. Stress related habits such as eating more, using tobacco or drinking alcohol can lead to further increase in blood pressure. So that's all about the risk factors involved in hypertension. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel, that is RPIIT Academy.